Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to progress faster in Idle Cult Empire in a simple, beginner-friendly way. So, let's dive in. Now, Idle Cult Empire is all about growing your cult through followers and idle resource generation. The number one priority early on is followers. More followers means more resources, so always upgrade housing and assign followers to production buildings like wood, stone, and gold. So again, make sure to prioritize upgrading your gate, this one. Next, you want to focus on building upgrades, upgrading resource buildings first before anything else. Strong production lets you progress much faster, so avoid wasting resources on cosmetics or low impact upgrades early on. When it comes to rituals and dungeons, don't rush them. Rituals give powerful boosts but save resources for permanent upgrades. Dungeons are important for farming crystals, but if they're too hard, step back, upgrade your cult, and try again later. And remember, crystals are very valuable, so only spend them on permanent bonuses. Finally, prestige smartly. Prestige resets your run but gives permanent boosts. Only do it when progress slows and the bonus is worth it. And basically, that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!